Welcome back to the channel. My name's Mark and this is Skycam Tri-City. So last weekend, Sunday last weekend, we were invited, or I was invited, up to this place called Ośrodek Mausz in Kaszuby. So I hope I pronounced that right, but my Polish is terrible, so I guess that's why I didn't pronounce it right. Anyway, this is like it's a big, massive lake, beautiful place, and where people take the holidays. There's self-catering little houses there, apartments. Really nice place. I'm gonna put some of my favorite shots that I took there, following what I'm talking about now. But I just wanted to say, first of all, thanks very much guys for inviting me up there. It was nice to see the place. And I also wanted to talk about how this would be an ideal location for people in Britain, people in England to go out, have a holiday. It's really reasonable prices, much cheaper than it would cost you to go to Spain. Get yourself a flight, and Ryanair or EasyJet, one of those. Get yourself one of those cheap flights over to Gdansk airport. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe from Gdansk. And then hire a car so you can have a bit of a city break and then a summer break. Have a look at the footage. I'll also link the website in the description below so you can visit the website. But honestly, take a look at the pictures on the website as well, and think about it for your next break, because it really will be value for money. You'll hardly spend anything, and it's such a nice place. I'm going to stay there myself hopefully in a couple of weeks time, and I'll do some more videos about the place then. But for now, check out the website and enjoy this footage. Please like it, like the video, share the video, and also please subscribe. I'd be really grateful if you could subscribe. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.